Tim Cook got some bad news recently. Apparently, he is going to have to sit down and face a 7-hour deposition in the Apple versus Epic Games legal case. There's got to be no worse news than that. You got to come to the courtroom and sit there.
You're summoned.
You're summoned. You're the CEO of this company. We're talking billions of dollars, right? You get to walk around the campus, call your shots. You get to have a coffee whenever you like. You have everything sorted out for the day.
Yes.
You know? And you're busy enough as it is. And then all of a sudden the judge says, no. He goes, I'm listening to what these Epic guys are saying, and I feel like you got to be here. And a judge can do such a thing. Well, and so he summons him over there, and now he's going to have a 7-hour day sitting there getting yelled at and screamed at. Well, not yelled at, but you know what I'm saying,
Yeah,
Will.
not a good time.
Not having fun. But that's the way it goes. If you want to go toe-to-toe in these type of legal battles, you put the power in the judge's hands. I mean, that's the way it is, right? Now, obviously, this dates back. It seemed like a while ago we started talking about this. It's finally making its way to a courtroom. It's making its way in front of a judge. Court documents reveal that Epic Games had originally wanted to depose Cook for 8 hours. Apple then cited the Apex Doctrine, which can prevent high-level executives from being deposed at all, before conceding to 4 hours. But then the judge jumps in and goes 4 hours, 8 hours, or some length of time in between. And I guess they landed on 7 at some point. The other thing the judge did that wasn't necessarily in Apple's favor is the judge denied Apple's request to subpoena internal documents from Samsung. Apple wanted to bring Samsung into the conversation because they have a special relationship with Epic. You know, through the Galaxy App Store, Galaxy Store, whatever they call their App Store. It's one of the few ways on a major platform that you can get your hands on Fortnite Mobile, because obviously it's been removed from the App Store, the iOS App Store. And however, if you have a Galaxy device, you have Samsung's own store, and they do all kinds of perks and promos, and they work together to utilize that advantage that, hey, here's a place you can still get Fortnite and whatever other Epic game you might want to get. And so I suppose that Apple wants them in there to say, hey, look, they have a retailer. They have a way to reach people. They don't need to be inside the App Store. See, it's within our rights to boot them out or whatever else it might be. There's competition here. Although we all know that the size, the scale of Samsung's App Store relative to Google's App Store or Apple's App Store is not even close. But anyway, the judge denied that as well. He said, no. You show up yourself. Never mind this Samsung story. You show up for 7 hours.
Ooh.
And prepare yourself for the most boring day of your life.
So, do you think that it'll go the other way around? That they're going to have a deposition for Tim Sweeney?
Oh, I mean, wow, it's a good. I guess who's accusing who? Who sued who? No, Sweeney sued him. Epic sued Apple, right? Yes, Epic sued Apple.
Was there a counter suit?
Maybe there is, yeah. No? Oh. It's possible. It's possible. Maybe Sweeney wants to be there anyway. He can.
The battle of the Tims.
Yeah, Tim v. Tim.